Hi, March Empties. Sorry, I can't even smile right now. I'm so bloody stressed with what's happening out there in the world. I hope all of you are safe. Please stay safe. I hope all of your loved ones are safe as well. Oh well, Empties, March Empties. Cleanser first. Tata Harper Nourishing Oil Cleanser. Right, right, you can do this. Tata Harper Nourishing Oil Cleanser. Took a while to finish, and there's a reason for that. This is the reason. The bloody pump on pretty much all Tata Harper bottles stops working after a while, and that is the absolute truth. Stops working. Won't work. No. What you do is you open it like this and get the product out, which means that you're getting air in, and that air is obviously, I don't know, there's a risk of contaminating the product inside as well. So I wasn't happy about this. Therefore, I will not repurchase. I know that Tata Harper has changed the packaging on a lot of the products, but this was such a put off. And it wasn't just this one. I've got two other Tata Harper products, almost empty, so much left, where the pumps have completely jammed for a while now. And I don't know how on earth I'm going to use this up. Serum. Pure vitamin C serum from Purito. Purito has a lot of hype, I know. I did love Purito serums at first. I did talk about them sometime early last year. Unfortunately, over time I realized that Purito products all contain essential oils, therefore broke me out badly. I mean, not this breakout, other breakouts have happened. This breakout is owing to stress and anxiety alone. And it, can you see that? There's brown dots. That is the vitamin C having oxidized. That is insane oxidation, absolutely insane. I won't be repurchasing this product for that reason, first of all. Secondly, this is a glass, not a glass bottle, it's plastic. So I won't be repurchasing for that reason. Vitamin C, I understand, should come in glass bottles. The next product is a face product. La Mer's Creme de la Mer. All gone. So, sorry. All gone. So, confession, because of the price, I used very little of it over time on my under eye area alone. I mean, you don't want to use it up, right? So it lasted forever and ever and ever. Beautiful glass bottle with glass lid. My mum went slightly crazy at the Lama counter in Selfridges some time ago, and bought a few products, gave some to me as well, which is how I got this. But I love the Lama counter at Selfridges. I had a bad experience with the Tom Ford counter at Selfridges once, and it actually put me off in-store shopping for a while. They sort of went, this is a very exclusive brand. You may not like it, to me. And they didn't serve me forever and ever and ever until, a nice old lady next to me said, this young lady has been waiting for a while and you're completely ignoring her. And that was when a sales assistant turned up and said, this is a very exclusive brand. So I sort of, not stomped off, but must have looked a bit mad. I don't know. Anyway, Charlotte Tilbury called me over, and so did Giorgio Armani. They got some of my money that day. It was the last time I shopped in a long while. However, the lady at the Lama counter in Selfridges called me over and gave me samples free. I didn't buy a thing. They saw the entire exchange, all these three counters at Tom Ford, and the Charlotte Tilbury gave me a couple of samples. Lama gave me so many samples, it was insane, and Armani did not give me samples, but I did buy a couple of Live Maestros for myself. So I told my mum what happened and gave her some of the samples. So she used them, and then she decided to buy some for herself, some products for herself, and bought me a couple as well. That's the result. This is the moisturizing soft cream, the soft version, and I really, really loved it as an under eye cream. Will I repurchase? Blimey, no, not at the price. But did I like it? Hell yes. Lovely eye cream. Very, very occlusive last step eye cream. So I first use an eye serum and then, put this on top. No eye patches for me this month. I've been using this one up. Very, 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 very nice. Sunscreen, and this is possibly the last sunscreen you will see in a while. I mean, I've been using mild SPF, on my face when I'm pottering out doors or something. But, apart from that, lockdown, no one's going out. No one's going to use sunscreen. particularly not if, you know, where you are is curtained. Obviously, I am using sunscreen in my recording room because there's natural light and windows all around. Tinted SPF beneath my foundation. Apart from that, on days that I'm not recording, everywhere else is nicely curtained except my kitchen. And I do most of my cooking the previous night, so I don't use much sunscreen right now. Estee Lauder SPF 30 Sun Performance Sun Care. This is a body sunscreen. I absolutely loved it, and this was a gift with purchase. I tell you, Estee Lauder and Lancome do some of the world's best GWPs for a brand, you know, and so does Clarins actually. Lovely, lovely GWPs. Other brands should learn from these three, but you know, gifts with purchase. So will I repurchase? Not right now. I don't need an SPF. And secondly, I didn't buy it. You know, there's no question of repurchasing. It was a GWP. If I get it free, yes, but you know, at that price, I may not buy it. I'm equally happy with Korean sunscreens that cost, you know, fraction of this one. Fifth product, Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. Lucy, if you're watching, I think I saw this among your empties and asked you about this one, and I used it after you said it was alright. So yeah, was nice. Didn't wow my hair. Maybe my hair is incredibly dry and damaged, and right now I couldn't give an answer. I've gone to seed completely. But you know, I love the smell, the coconutty smell. I love the smell of coconut. Hydrating, yes, but you know, didn't, you know, turn my hair into the silkiest of tresses after that. Did well. Good job. Decent conditioner, decent conditioning mask, not absolute wow. Will I repurchase? No. Shower gel, Elemis Skin Nourishing Shower Cream, all gone as you can see. Average. I don't know. A lot of people love Elemis so much. I love some of their products, but you know, I'm not as loyal to Elemis as a brand as I am to Alpha Rage or Dr. Dennis Gross or to the Inky List. Any of those brands, you know, I'm not as much of an Elemis loyal. I like their product. Don't get me wrong, I really, really like some of their products, particularly the resurfacing range, the dynamic resurfacing range, the marine collagen range. Not so much. I know that's probably blasphemy. So this shower cream, creamy, thick, but I absolutely hated the fragrance, and I have a problem with my shower creams. I want them all to be nicely fragranced, soothing, luxurious, very fragranced, because shower gel fragrance lasts long on my skin, so I really want them to be fragranced. This one, not a good smell though, wasn't happy. So just the 6 products emptied in March, and I'm actually surprised that I managed to finish 6 products in March, because I've gone to seed, I'm not doing anything, my routine has gone for a toss, I couldn't give an ass, I'm stressed, I'm anxious, I haven't been doing my skincare or bath and body at all. Probably I haven't been moisturizing all over this month, which is a huge pity. I should get back on track. I hope to do so in April, which is my birthday month. And just imagine, with a world like this, the last thing you want to think about is your bloody birthday. And I never thought I'd say that because, you know, my birthday, people have always made a fuss about my birthday. There's always been a party, one way or the other. And, you know, I don't feel like it either. I feel like, I don't know, crawling into bed and, you know, pulling a huge blanket on my head and then lying there forever. So with 6 products out of the way, I had 95 to go in 10 months' time. And this leaves me with 89 to go in 9 months' time. That means that I need to finish just around 10 products per month to reach my target for 2020, which is 120 beauty products. Will I get there? I don't know. If this situation continues and I just can't be asked to use anything up, I don't know how it's going to be. Let me see. I'll try and do my best to kick myself out of my, you know, rut and, you know, use my skincare and bath and body products properly. I'll try my best. Does anybody else have this problem right now? If so, let's talk, yeah? Let's connect and hopefully we'll be able to help each other. Or if anybody wants to, you know, say something encouraging about the situation. I don't know what is that that's so encouraging, but feel free to share. Or, you know, if you're stressed, feel free to share. Do tell me in the comments, do reach out to me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, wherever. All the links to all of those are in the description box below. So have you managed to use anything up at all this month, or has it been a state of numbness for you as well? Do tell me that as well. I'd love to know. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button in the description, whatever the deuce it is. And I'll speak to you soon. I'm terribly sorry, fellas. Terribly, terribly sorry. It's just, I can't believe this happened to us. You know, the world. We're able to talk to each other over the phone without incurring huge bills. We're flying everywhere. We're in outer space. There are space stations that are manned all the time. And a bloody virus is doing this. I just can't. All right, I'll stop talking now. Bye.